तेरे को मालूम है यार नहले पे दहला क्या होता है? बिकॉज हमने काफी ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग सिनेरियो देखा है इस पर्टिकुलर श्रीलंका वर्सेस इंग्लैंड सीरीज पे।
परफेक्ट नहले पे दहला पता है क्या होता है? चंडीमल और बेयरस्टो का कॉन्वर्सेशन। पहले चंडीमल बेयरस्टो से कहते हैं कि विकेट दे दो, बेयरस्टो दे देते हैं 3 बॉल में। एंड उससे बेटर क्या हो सकता है? मतलब इतना कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस है आपस में कि बेयरस्टो ने चंडीमल से विकेट मांगा और चंडीमल ने नेक्स्ट बॉल पे दे दिया। मतलब उस नहले पे दहला, इससे बुरा क्या हो सकता है?
अतिथि देवो भव। You take 3, I take 1।
मतलब इतना रिस्पेक्ट है अपने आने वाले ऐसे टूरिंग टीम के लिए कि ले लो, कोई बात नहीं, मांग रहे हम देंगे।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वही ना, मतलब इतना मांगोगे हाथ कलेजा हाजिर है, समथिंग ऑन दोस लाइन्स, राइट? एंड I think the use of words like kaleja, nahle pe dehla, atithi devo bhava, life really could not get any more random. And on that note, a very warm welcome to everyone who's watching this particular random cricket podcast, a brand new feature on the M Tag More Than a Game YouTube channel. This is me, Kushagra, and I've got Atul here with me. Welcome Atul. Welcome and very warm welcome to you on this very first debut episode of the podcast. Talking about the match, हम लोग बात तो श्रीलंका की ही कर रहे थे, and श्रीलंका versus England is the most recently concluded series. England coming out 2-0 victors, पूरे 120 points साथ लेके गए हैं वो अपने साथ. Even though this did not particularly improve their current standings in the World Test Championship table, but it has given them decent level of confidence and decent level of momentum going and heading into their other assignments, जिसके बारे में हम लोग थोड़ी देर बाद बात करेंगे. But just your opinion on the series. लसित एम्बुल्डेनिया को क्या हम लोग बोलेंगे? Is he a feel good story और literally अंधों में काना राजा?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये क्या है कि अगर टीम्स को फील गुड करना होता है तो वो लोग श्रीलंका को खेलने चले जाते हैं. I never understood that, but to be honest, England coming to Sri Lanka and we expected the turning pitches to help Sri Lanka in a manner. But I think Joe Root alone dominated the whole of the Sri Lankan team in both the test matches. And as you're talking about Lasith Embuldeniya, brilliant performance from him, but I think वही है कि अंधों में कांडा राजा नहीं कह सकते, that's going a bit far. But if you think of it, परफॉर्मेंसेज उनकी अच्छी रही हैं, इतनी अच्छी कह सकते हैं, मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर कैप्टन कि उन्होंने फास्ट बॉलर की जगह उनसे इनिंग्स भी स्टार्ट करवा दी. दैट्स हाउ इफेक्टिव ही वाज. तो यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट कि हाँ, मे बी पोस्ट रंगना हेरात, ही इज द जेम इन देयर बॉलिंग लाइनअप, द लेफ्ट आर्म जेम. तो आई थिंक दैट्स अ गुड फाइंड फॉर द होल श्रीलंकन टीम. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो परफॉर्मेंसेस थे वो मतलब स्टैगरिंग ही कह सकते हैं इन अ बैड मैनर.
हाँ नहीं, जस्ट लाइक तिरिमाने की 1 सेंचुरी, मैथ्यूज की 1 सेंचुरी, गुड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर इनिंग्स, बट रियली उसके आगे कुछ किया नहीं.
मतलब बोथ द कोसल्स, द परेरा एंड द मेंडिस, मतलब मेंडिस का तो फॉर्म काफी ही खराब था एंड ही वाज ड्रॉप फॉर द सेकंड टेस्ट. एंड आई रिमेंबर टॉकिंग टू अबाउट इट कि ओशाडा फर्नांडो मेड हिज like was selected for the team and he got out for a duck. Maybe it was that number 3 spot that was cursed for the Sri Lankan team. But overall as a team, Sri Lanka I think wasn't good at that point of time, and वो थोड़े temperament होता है through the management as well, जो कि मैं show नहीं कर रहा था. So I'm really hoping कि श्रीलंका might take this as the bottom line and इसके ऊपर अब perform करना शुरू करेगी कि okay, this is the lowest we can get at this point of time, and अब हम इसको एक benchmark रख के इससे हमेशा better खेलने की कोशिश करेंगे आगे.
हाँ मतलब and talking about playing better, we saw a good performance by both the bowling departments in England. उनके spinners, Dom West got a 5er in the first innings. I don't know मतलब I don't know how did he manage that 5er, because frankly the Sri Lankan batting made me wanted to rip my hair out. And उसके बाद they were out there improving not just Joe Root का batting average, they improved his bowling average as well. बहुत सारे wickets. This must be one of the most successful bowling series for Joe Root in his career, because कितना 4-5 wicket लिए उन्होंने 2 test matches में, which is unbelievable.
It's like he got too bold while batting and he was like, okay, maybe let me try my hand at bowling as well. But this series again brought up a debate जो कि मैं कभी नहीं करना चाहता अपनी लाइफ में, ठीक है? And I properly know आप भी नहीं करना चाहते.
I know where we are going.
And everywhere I go, every website or maybe an article or something, is James Anderson the GOAT? is James Anderson the GOAT? Kushagra, you know what the answer to that is?
No.
Brilliant.
Well, disclaimer: we don't mean any disrespect to James Anderson or James Anderson's fans. The song that the Bami Army has for him, oh Jimmy Jimmy, and बाद में शायद एक rendition कर भी देंगे हम और अतुल, for our viewers.
The song with the Indian Bollywood has Jimmy 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 Aja Aja Aja.
Aja.
Even for the next series.
बुला रहे हैं सर जी को, तो यहाँ बुलाया है, but yes, you were carrying on about James Anderson.
But James
six
Anderson,
wickets in the first innings, right? The good performance.
Yeah, and I think James Anderson is brilliant, no doubt in that. And I think we talked about the longevity of his career. He started in around 2002, 2003 and continuing like that in 2021. So longevity तो है, एक fitness हमेशा रही है James Anderson की in the team itself. And when you play for that long and you have been not to like disrespect him, but being fairly above average against the rest of the bowlers in the team, you do tend to perform well, don't you?
Yeah, also Atul, we need to understand one very simple fact. James Anderson, first of all, kudos to him, because whatever said, and I know Shoaib Akhtar ने एक jest में statement दिया था, for a medium pacer, he's managed his fitness very well. Which, if you compare Jimmy Anderson's speed to Shoaib Akhtar, he is a slow medium pacer. I mean, compared to Shoaib Akhtar, of course. Even at the end of his career, Shoaib was throwing 145, 148 Ks. So, he was a maverick in his own right. But coming back to Jimmy Anderson, I feel, जो हम लोग कल भी discuss कर रहे थे while prepping for this video, I feel the slinging action you talked about, right? The fantastic sling action that he has. He's got a very, very smooth and a beautiful action, which does not put strain on his body in the sense he will have breakdowns like जो हम लोग unfortunately James Pattinson का देखते हैं या भुवी का हमने देखा है पिछले कुछ सालों में, और for that matter जो जसप्रीत बुमराह का हम लोग को डर लगता रहता है in terms of his side strain and the back issues, all of that. But James Anderson has a beautifully smooth action which surely helps. His pace, I think for the last 10-12 years he's not gone over 130, 135, but it just speaks volumes कि उसका control कितना अच्छा है with that Duke ball in the English conditions. Beyond that, I feel like he is effective in spurts going all over the world, but the very fact that England rotated Anderson and Broad in Sri Lanka, and which they will most probably do in India as well, talks about the fact that Jimmy Anderson, while he is the most successful fast bowler of all time now in terms of number of wickets, and he will go past Anil Kumble's record of number of wickets, which will really piss me off. I am not particularly happy about that, but if you play cricket for that long, you will accumulate wickets, you will accumulate stats. So of course that is true, and not taking anything away from Jimmy Anderson, I just feel आप जब GOAT या आप जब greatest of all time की बात करते हैं, तो हम लोग ना बहुत short sighted हो जाते हैं. हम लोग हर 5 साल में नए बंदे को GOAT बुलाने लग जाते हैं यार, मतलब हाँ exactly बहुत.
Nathan Lyon isn't a GOAT. Come on Australia, you need to grow up.
Yeah, ठीक है, he may be the greatest off spinner Australia has produced, but really what was the competition? I think Billy Meredith इससे पहले थे इनके highest wicket taker, right? If I'm getting the name wrong, please my apologies, but whoever was their off spinner had like 150 wickets earlier. Who was the top off spinner?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मन करता तो वो जेसन क्रेजा के 8 विकेट हॉल के बाद उनको भी गोट बुला देते.
भाई स्टीव ओकीफ का वो टेस्ट मैच याद नहीं, पुणे वाला, उसको बुला देते.
And I think Nathan Horrocks भी था उनके लिए off spinner, but all in all, saying that we throw away the word GOAT so easily these days, but I think Jimmy Anderson के लिए भी GOAT word, maybe England feel he is the greatest of all time for them. Guys, I think कि मेरे लिए तो स्टुअर्ट ब्रॉड भी ऊपर है. मेरे
लिए भी स्टुअर्ट ब्रॉड शायद ऊपर रहेगा जिमी एंडरसन, बिकॉज अगेन जिमी एंडरसन बहुत ब्यूटीफुल, जब उसकी आउटस्विंगर एकदम परफेक्टली काम कर रही होती है पिचिंग ऑन द ऑफ, जस्ट अ कपल ऑफ इंचेस आउटसाइड द ऑफ, sometimes it goes straight, sometimes it goes out, he's got that odd delivery that comes in as well. So he's a very good bowler, no doubt, fantastic bowler, especially in those conditions, places like New Zealand and England, to an extent even South Africa. He's very, very effective there. But when it comes to the pitches, that is what pissed me off with the Sri Lankans as well. वो थोड़ा बहुत रेपुटेशन पे भी विकेट्स दे दिया मुझे ऐसा लगा, बट you know, again, you cannot take anything away from a bowler who has over 600 test wickets, you know.
Jimmy Anderson had his luck, if you think of it, Kushagra, like Darren Gough, the likes of Darren Gough and Simon Jones. These people got injured for him at the right time.
And even Andy Flintoff to an extent, because I think he ended his career a little early. 31, 32 pe he retired, right? So
yeah. And because Flintoff was their frontline bowler at that point of time, not going to take anything away from him. You know how much I love Freddie Flintoff. Okay, so if you think Darren Gough and
Freddie Flintoff, I'm sorry, I made a clanger there. It's an Andy, but yeah, coming back.
Andrew.
Yeah, he's actually, his name is Andrew. Yeah.
So I think Simon Jones is one of the most elegant bowler England has ever produced, and he was
unfortunate.
So injuries plagued his career, and I think at that point of time a few bowlers stepped up, the likes of Tim Bresnan, Ryan Sidebottom, James Anderson and Stuart Broad were the ones who survived that peak, and post that it was those two only who like made a partnership among themselves, and they've both been brilliant. But I personally feel कि हाँ ठीक है, he has been a bit lucky at times, he's been brilliant, and फिर वही जो अपने का वो namesake वाली चीज आती है, वो नाम पे विकेट देने वाली कि okay I'm facing Jimmy Anderson. It's that sort of a thing कि आप फील करने लगते हैं कि अब मुझे डर लग रहा है इस बॉलर से, तो you tend to throw your wicket away. एंड श्रीलंका को तो देख के लग रहा था कि मतलब वो उस चैनल में बॉल डालने,
यार उनको तो हर बॉलर से डर लगता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
You know, they should have played Lasith Malinga in their own nets.
बोलते कि भाई रिटायरमेंट की जगह नेट बॉलिंग कर लो थोड़ी सी. But you know, talking about these what really saddens me is these Asian teams not capitalizing on their home form. And you know, Sri Lanka did struggle. We saw them go to South Africa. वहाँ पे काफी struggle किया उन्होंने. Agreed, उनके बहुत सारे players injured हो गए थे. There was this uncertainty around the COVID biosecure bubbles in South Africa as well. Considering the England series में क्या हुआ था 2-3 महीने पहले. But still, you know, it was expected कि they will lose in South Africa. I was hoping कि वो थोड़ा सा और test लेते England का. We spoke about the England not having to play a single ball on the 5th day. दोनों टेस्ट मैचेस में मैच 5 दिन गया ही नहीं. क्या फर्क पड़ता है whether England are batting in the 4th innings? जब आपने you are not exposing them to the demons of the pitch. तो यार क्या पॉइंट है? अगर 3 दिन के टेस्ट मैचेस 3.5 दिन के टेस्ट मैचेस खेल रहे हैं तो क्या पॉइंट है सीरियसली? मतलब that is what my point.
Guys, as Kushagra said, demons of the pitch. Asian pitches have demons on the pitch, not the Australian pitches. We brilliantly saw that over in Brisbane.
Yeah, I think we've started this podcast a couple of weeks too late, because जो banter वो Gabatois में मिलता आपको, तो वो आपको यहाँ मिलने से तो कहीं बेहतर था. You know, because you know that just a word on that incredible performance. Kudos to Team India. Team India goes into a bubble very soon from now on the 27th. You know, for the first test match, it starts on the 5th. But before we come to that series, another you know, so it's a nice segue. We're talking about one Asian team to another Asian powerhouse in the past. Currently, they're trying to come back. Massive congratulations to the Pakistani fans. You guys have now officially have a very big team touring you again. South Africa is playing in Pakistan as we record this. I think 5 wickets were down for 140 odd runs. I'll confirm. But Atul, just your two bits on the the South African tour of Pakistan and how massive it is for the Pakistani fans.
First of all, congratulations as you mentioned. मतलब वो एक हम लोग जानते हैं ना कि कैसे इंडियन फैंस और पाकिस्तानी फैंस अपने क्रिकेट को ट्रीट करते हैं. The love they have for their cricket. And it is quite brilliant for them कि हाँ, it's returning to the actual home. It's not the UAE, it's Pakistan itself, Karachi, Rawalpindi, and we've always enjoyed cricket over there, right? The fans come in, maybe abhi COVID ka time and the fans won't be able to, but just the luxury of getting those matches on your home soil is pretty brilliant. And the domestic players who've been playing there, it's an opportunity for them to show ki haan, these pitches help us in a manner. I remember Fawad Alam being one who has been brilliant in the circuit for a long time now, and players like him have the opportunity now. And as per South Africa, you know, even they are a team under rebuilding process. तो काफी फन होगा ये, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान भी सेम प्रोसेस में, साउथ अफ्रीका भी सेम प्रोसेस में. तो मे बी नॉट श्रीलंका बट पाकिस्तान में टेक द होम एडवांटेज दिस टाइम राउंड.
हाँ, मतलब it is about time, because I think पाकिस्तान का away performances, as you know, they've been highly criticized. though they put up somewhat of a fight in the first test match, second test match was a sound thrashing, from New Zealand. And abhi as of now, if you see, it's the first day's play, second session chal raha hai. 152 for 5 is what South Africa is on. So as of now, we can see Pakistan are on top. Agar wo 250, I would even say under 300 out hogi South Africa, they could be in deep trouble, because once again, as Atul mentioned, Karachi is one stadium or one location in Pakistan where the batsmen have really enjoyed themselves a lot. And even though Pakistan might have to play in the fourth innings, I feel if they make a massive score in their first innings, which they are very much capable of, Babar Azam captaining a first test match in his career, and the first test match he's ever captained in Pakistan as well. So काफी monumentous दिन है उनके लिए भी. So all the best to the Pakistani fans and to the Pakistani team, because we'll be keeping a keen eye on their performance. I just hope it's a competitive series. No team lies down for the other. Whatever is the quality of cricket, I hope कि यार हम लोग 5वें दिन में टेस्ट मैचेस लेके जाएं. That has been my biggest problem with all of these teams. हम लोग 5वें दिन में नहीं लेके जा रहे हैं टेस्ट मैचेस. I loved the Indian Australian series for that particular manner, because apart from the Adelaide test match, every test match went the distance, and which was lovely to see. So do you think Pakistan might be slight favorites in this series कि South Africa के पास चांस है, because second test match पिंडी में है, तो पिंडी में बॉल बाउंस का सीन ज्यादा करेगा.
पता है कुछ, अगर याद है 2 दिन पहले मैंने कहा था कि आई थिंक साउथ अफ्रीका माइट टेक दिस वन. पहले दिन आते ही पाकिस्तान ने मेरी बात को बढ़िया तरीके से गलत प्रूव करने की पूरी ऐसी ठान रखी है. 5 विकेट ले लिया साउथ अफ्रीका के. एंड आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग डीन एल्गर टू कैरी हिज बैट फॉर साउथ अफ्रीका, बिकॉज़ दैट्स व्हाट ही डज.
Unfortunately, he is dismissed for 58.
Yeah, so just think of it at the moment कि पाकिस्तान coming back to Pakistan ऐसे एकदम home ground पे and being victorious in the first match they play back at home. That will be bloody brilliant for all the whole fraternity of cricket, and not just the Pakistani fans and the Pakistani team. And it will be joy to watch for us as well, because if I might remember, जैसे कि आपने भी mention किया, इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया की सीरीज के टाइम कितना लव आया था पाकिस्तानी फैंस की तरफ से हमारे लिए, पाकिस्तानी जर्नलिस्ट की तरफ से हमारे लिए. And we wish the same from our side for them, because we want this Asian bloc, as you mentioned, to grow and perform better, because that hasn't been the case in the recent times. We saw Bangladesh thrashing West Indies in the shorter format just now.
I mean, it's not really a recognizable West Indies team, but yes, Bangladesh, victory is a victory. You can only defeat what is in front of you.
Yeah, so just on that note, कि Pakistan performing brilliantly is again good for cricket, as we talk about it.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
Getting more competitive teams, Babar taking the team, like being the captain. And पता है बाबर की बैटिंग, अगर ये भी हमें देखना होगा कि how Babar performs with the captaincy pressure, because we know Azhar Ali was brilliant at the start, then his form dipped as the captain. And एक disappointment है अपने पाकिस्तानी डैनियल रिकार्डो शान मसूद को ड्रॉप कर दिया गया है टीम में से. तो उनकी बैटिंग देखने में काफी मजा आता था, बट उनका न्यूजीलैंड टूर बड़ा खराब था, तो उनको बाहर
बहुत खराब था. Yeah, I think apart from that one innings in England, he's been having a bad time, तो उनका थोड़ा खराब ही टाइम चल रहा है.
सरफराज ने स्टार्ट नहीं किया, सरफराज बेंच पे है.
हाँ, congratulations to Noman Ali and I think Imran Butt. Both of them have made their test debuts, so massive congratulations. Proud moment for these guys, their families, their relatives, everyone who's associated with them. So massive congratulations to them, and also shout out to Noman Ali. He's gotten 2 wickets in his very first innings, and Quinton de Kock and Dean Elgar are not bad scalps to have. When you're starting out your test career, so that's congratulations to Noman Ali there. But as far as you said there, एकदम spot on है. तो I feel a lot of eyes will be on Babar Azam. What my request to the Pakistani cricket authorities will be, bilkul, there is nothing to lose if you got given the captaincy to Babar Azam, but please be careful. That boy is a bona fide world-class player जो कि eventually will reach number 1 in different formats at different points in time. He's a fantastic player. Agar captaincy is not his cup of tea, I hope it is quietly and quickly removed from him, so that boy can realize his talent as a batsman. I hope हम batsman ना खो दें कैप्टन ढूंढने के चक्कर में, एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम द पाकिस्तानी पर्सपेक्टिव, दैट इफ दैट कैन हैपन, आई थिंक इट विल मेक फॉर अ वेरी लवली स्टोरी. अगर if they've got a complete package, then I think next 10 years they have their captain and they have their whole setup. So but if not, then let's hope he can be protected at all costs, because he's vital for Pakistan cricket going ahead for the next decade at least. So that is our two bits there. From one captain eagerly awaiting playing his first test match, to another captain who was blessed with a baby daughter. Once again, congratulations to Virat and Anushka there, and also who will be joining the Indian team back in the bubble, a jubilant Indian team, a very very happy Indian team जिनके पास बहुत स्टोरीज होंगी चीकू भैया को बताने के लिए, और चीकू भैया के पास भी बहुत कहानियां होंगी of sleepless nights that he may have suffered over the past 3 weeks. Talking about Virat Kohli, अतुल, हमने बहुत नॉनसेंसिकल डिबेट देखी है इंडियन मीडिया में, पीपल गेटिंग ऑल हाइप्ड अप ओवर कि नहीं आप कैप्टनसी ले लीजिए, अजिंक्य रहाणे को बना दीजिए, व्हाइट बॉल में रोहित शर्मा को दे दीजिए, ये दे दीजिए, वो कर दीजिए, ये कर दीजिए. While it is undeniable that Ajinkya Rahane was the rock of Gibraltar or the rock of Gabatoa, as Cheteshwar Pujara was, so and then of course you got the wily offspin of Ravichandran Ashwin, and Chacha Chaudhary से भी तेज चलने वाला दिमाग of Rohit Sharma. So I think we've covered all four there.
How can you forget Spider-Man? तूने चुराया मेरे दिल का चैन.
दिल का चैन, वो तो उन्होंने तो हमारे भी दिल का चैन चुरा लिया है ऋषभ पंत ने. our Maverick, the true MVP actually in that series, Rishabh Pant and Ravichandran Ashwin and Jadeja as well, Ravindra Jadeja, because I think Ravindra Jadeja, I know first 2 test matches ke liye to he's out. He might make a comeback in the white ball series. They might not be risk for the red ball series there, but all in all, how do you view this series? Because बहुत important है हमारे लिए, अगर आप वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप के मद्देनजर देखें, extremely vital from our end. So Atul, as I was saying, where do you see this test series heading? Because हम लोग के लिए बहुत vital है वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप की स्टैंडिंग्स को मद्देनजर रखते हुए, because New Zealand have played all of their series out and वो इस समय 70% पे बैठे हैं in terms of their points per series, win percentage per series. As far as India is concerned, वो 71% पे बैठे हैं, and Australia will need to win the test series in South Africa without losing a single match. Either 2-0 or a 3-0 is what will work for them. England के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. I think England need to draw the series 2-all or maybe take the series 3-1 to actually have any hopes of qualifying. I don't see India ने पिछले 10 साल में 3 मैच हारे हैं. I don't see them losing 2 matches in this series. So how are you seeing this test series? And tough task तो होगा, but do you genuinely feel कि there is any kind of a worry with you?
देखिए, मुश्किल तो नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन डिफिकल्ट जरूर होगा. बट एक तो सबसे बेहतरीन चीज जो हुई है कुशाग्र ऑस्ट्रेलियन टूर के बाद कि हम लोग को इतने बॉलर्स मिल गए हैं. इफ वी आर नॉट विद आवर फ्रंट लाइन पेसर्स, हमारे पास फिर भी ऐसा अटैक है जिसको उन लोगों ने कह दिया था इंडिया की सी टीम खेल ली है, वो जाके ऑस्ट्रेलिया के 20-20 विकेट ले लेती है और उनके फ्रंट 4 नहीं ले पाते हैं. तो फिर आप समझ सकते हैं कि हाउ द कंडीशंस आर एट दिस वेरी मोमेंट इन द इंडियन क्रिकेट सर्किट. एंड ये सीरीज काफी मायने रखने वाली इसलिए क्योंकि जो भी हमें डर लगता है ना कि वो जो रूट आएगा और हमेशा फॉर्म में ही आता है, पता नहीं कैसे जो रूट फॉर्म में आ गए थैंक्स टू श्रीलंका के. बट
बहुत लोगों को फॉर्म दे दिया यार श्रीलंका ने.
बेन स्टोक्स भी आ रहे हैं. जेम्स सैंडरसन को फिर से द गोट डिबेट आ ही गया है, हमने बात करी.
जोफ्रा आर्चर,
ठीक है,
द रियल प्रॉब्लम फॉर इंडिया, ही कुड बी
द रियल प्रॉब्लम फॉर इंडिया. एग्जैक्टली. जोफ्रा आर्चर का नाम अभी तक उतना उठ के नहीं आया. दीस बेन स्टोक्स एंड जोफ्रा आर्चर्स आर द वन दैट विल कॉज ट्रबल. एंड वो जोफ्रा आर्चर से मुझे वही शॉर्ट बॉल्स याद आती हैं, उससे याद आते हैं मुझे चेतेश्वर पुजारा. तो वी डू हैव अ पुजारा टू टैकल एन आर्चर.
भाई पुजारा का रिकॉर्ड वर्सेस इंग्लैंड एंड इंडिया इज स्टुपेंडस.
एंड हम दोनों जैसे कि आपको पता ही है यही विश करेंगे कि वो रिकॉर्ड आगे ही बढ़ेगा, उसमें कोई कमी नहीं आएगी, एवरेज ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे नहीं आएगा.
भाई शुभमन की सेंचुरी देखनी है, शुभमन और रोहित की सेंचुरी देखनी. बहुत टाइम हो गया, मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया इन अ वे की विक्ट्री आई ब्रिस्बेन में, बट सेंचुरी अभी भी रह गई है रोहित भाई की.
शुभमन की सेंचुरी की बात करते हैं कुशाग्र, रोहित की डबल सेंचुरी की बात करते हैं कुशाग्र,
विराट की ट्रिपल 750 रन 1.5-2 दिन में रिटायर हो रहा हूँ, सॉरी रिटायर तो नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं,
डिक्लेयर कर दिया,
रिटायर ही कर दिया, डिक्लेयर, एंड देन उनको 2 बार आउट कर दिया 2 दिन।
एंड पता है शुभमन की सेंचुरी रोहित की सेंचुरी के साथ क्या होगा कि वो दोनों अपनी सेंचुरी साथ में कंप्लीट करें।
हाँ भाई, तो मतलब यू आर सेइंग 1.5 सेशंस में इंडिया 200 for no loss।
कहने का मतलब है कि अच्छी ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप मिले। वो जो एक कोनंड्रम रहा है ना इंडिया का कि हम लोग अच्छी ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप नहीं दे पाए बहुत टाइम से, ओनली वन ऑफ द ओपनर्स परफॉर्म एट अ टाइम, वो दिक्कत चली जाए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा इंडिया के लिए एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। एंड हमें तो पता ही है कि अगर चलो ओपनर्स चले भी जाते हैं, देन वी हैव शे एट 4, विराट
पुजारा एट 3,
कोहली एट 4,
रहाणे एट 5,
रहाणे को सारा प्रणाम
सारा प्रणाम, और ऋषभ पंत को सादर प्रणाम।
So having Rishabh at 6 and if not Jadeja, then I think Washington have made his case.
अच्छा, do you think अतुल bowling attack के हवाले से बात करते हैं तो do you think कि we might see 3 spinners playing for India, or do you think कि India might go with 3 pacers and 2 spinners? Because मुझे नहीं मालूम कि हार्दिक पांड्या bowling कराएंगे। If he is not bowling, do you really see his place in this 11?
थोड़ा सा टिक के खेलने की बात, जिसको कहते हैं ना कि वहाँ क्रीज पे खड़े रहने की बात, मतलब कोई डाउट नहीं मुझे हार्दिक पांड्या की एबिलिटी पे, वो क्विक रन्स भी स्कोर करते हैं, ही हैज द एबिलिटी टू स्टे इन द मिडिल इटसेल्फ। लेकिन पता है वाशिंगटन सुंदर ने अपनी बैटिंग के थ्रू एक अपना केस वहाँ रख दिया था कि मैं भी वो सेम काम कर सकता हूँ, उतनी अग्रेसिवली नहीं कर सकता लेकिन आई कैन स्टे एट द क्रीज। एंड see Jadeja is injured at this point of time, so having Ashwin and Sundar might help the team.
What if you put Akshar, because थोड़ा Ashwin और Sundar similar bowlers नहीं हो जाएंगे?
Akshar again, I'm glad that he's in the team finally, because I thought कि after that brilliant IPL he'll be in the team for the Australia tour as well. He wasn't selected at that point of time, so I don't know how much faith they are showing in Akshar Patel at this point of time. They'll straight away give him the opportunity to be in the 11, and Washington coming back from that kind of a performance might get the edge in the first match. We have 4 to play, so they
home ground भी है Washington और Ashwin का, that's also good.
हाँ, तो Washington Sundar playing in there and Ashwin, and apart from that I think India might go with 3 seamers, क्योंकि इंडिया को अपने सीमर्स की कैपेबिलिटीज के बारे में पता चल गया है कि वो जिसको बोलते हैं सक्षम हैं सामने वाली टीम को रैटल करने के। You'll have Jasprit in there, Ishant Sharma coming back,
and Siraj
I think Mohammad Siraj gets the nod because Shami isn't there, Bhuvi isn't in the team.
Bhuvi is not, red ball nahi. I think Shardul is in the team. क्या बोलते हैं, Navdeep Saini of course he injured his groin so he's outside. You've got Ishant, you've got Jassi and Shardul and Siraj. I think ये चारों के बीच में ही rotation होगा, and you might see Mohammad Shami coming in for the last 2 test matches, especially pink ball में I think vital रहेंगे Mohammad Shami. पिंक बॉल टेस्ट मैच जो अहमदाबाद में होगा, आई थिंक इट माइट बी द 3rd और द 4th टेस्ट मैच।
कुशाग में पिंक बॉल का डिबेट भी करना है हम लोग को।
हाँ यार, आई थिंक फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स we'll let you know guys, we're planning an episode on the pink ball and the debate and its visibility and the problems that batsmen face, and you might a lot of people might really enjoy the D-Night test match because it's a new thing and India haven't played that many, and you might enjoy आराम से रात में luxury
India didn't enjoy the last one, did they?
यार personally honestly Atul, I don't know what is your opinion, just a little word, टेस्ट मैच का मजा ही वो सुबह 9:30 बजे वो जो बॉल हल्की सी यार, मैं बॉलर, मैंने मोस्टली बॉलिंग की है ऑल माय लाइफ, आई लाइक टू टेक द न्यू बॉल। फास्ट बॉलर नहीं कहूंगा अपने आप को बिकॉज इतनी कभी स्पीड थी नहीं, 125 130
वो करेंगे कि शोएब दा देख भी ना ले, नहीं तो आपको मीडियम कोशिश कर देंगे।
120 125 मैक्स, कभी 130 मार दियो जिंदगी में 2-1 बार, बट तो उतनी ही कराते थे। तो बट द थिंग वाज कि that red cherry in your hand and slight bit of chill in the breeze in the morning,
the term red cherry, as you said, the term red cherry,
उससे अच्छा कुछ फीलिंग होता है वो सीन पकड़ के जब आपका अच्छे से सुबह 9 बजे हल्की सी हवा चल रही है 9:30 बजे और आपको दिख रहा है धूप निकल रही है, बैट्समैन भी टेंटेटिव है,
जहीर खान भागते हुए आ रहे हैं सीम छुपा के,
यस, एंड जुक करके बॉल, तो मतलब मेरे को तो टेस्ट क्रिकेट का वही लगता है, यू कैन कॉल मी अ ट्रेडिशनलिस्ट, यू कैन कॉल मी व्हाटएवर, बट आई जस्ट फील लाइक पिंक बॉल टेस्ट क्रिकेट बहुत ज्यादा हेवीली स्क्यू कर देता है इन द फेवर ऑफ फील्डिंग टीम्स.
Kushagra, I think that makes the two of us. You know my love for fast bowling and मतलब that's something I can talk about all day. And वो जो बात होती है ना about the test match, वो कि the first session of the day, that early morning start, that's something that we have been hearing from the start. आपने जो भी हमने करियर स्टार्ट किया था टेस्ट मैच देखने वालों की तरफ से, तो वो चीज़ है, वो उसका एक एक्साइटमेंट रहता है, द बॉल जैग्स अराउंड बोथ वेज, ठीक है, एंड बैट्समैन वही दिमाग में माइंडसेट लेके आते हैं कि ओके वी नीड टू गेट दिस फर्स्ट सेशन,
पहला घंटा खेल लो.
या सो वो
अभी आपने करते हो लंच खाने के बाद आते हो, बॉल कुछ कर ही नहीं होती भरी दोपहर में.
एग्जैक्टली तो वो चीज है ना, वो थिंग मुझे लगता है कि रेड बॉल जो चीज प्रोवाइड कर पाती है, हाँ पिंक बॉल की अपनी वो होगी कि थोड़ी सी अलग होती है, कभी एक्स्ट्रा मूव कर जाती है, but I do really feel that aura of a test match still lies in the traditional test matches and not the day night. So day night is more of a spectacle for the broadcasters as well as for the people who enjoy thoda sa wo lighting and thoda sa वैसा stuff. But authentic test matches still is the one starting at 9 a.m. and ending the day at 4:35.
4:30, yeah, that's what you want to see. 9:30 to 4:30 is what generally test matches are in India. So that's what we want to see. Generally going as well. Maybe winters हैं तो they may make it 10 to 5, but that essentially remains the same. 9:30 बजे टॉस होगा rather than 9:30 बजे पहली बॉल डलेगी, एक ही बात होगी.
Those things used to happen where there was bad light and people were 8 down and they'll be like, okay, the bad light meter is out. We need to get through this.
Yeah. वो struggle हम लोग आजकल कम देखते हैं, right? Like genuine fight from the teams.
वो फ्लड लाइट ऑन कर देते हैं यार पिंक बॉल टेस्ट नहीं है ना वो विजिबिलिटी फैक्टर, याद है जैसे जेम्स
वो लाइटोमीटर आता है,
टेस्ट बचा रहे हैं. तो ये पता है, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन है दो ट्रेडिशनल टेस्ट मैच लवर्स का, जिन लोग को मजा आता है नंबर 10 और 11 को मैच बचाते हुए देखते हुए.
We'll probably get a lot of hate in the comments कि इस T20 एज में तुम लोग जबरदस्ती मतलब you're going in 1990 एज, but yeah, I mean we're talking about test series, test cricket इस समय एकदम परवान चढ़ा हुआ है. Kushagra,
that amalgamation of the T20 spirit that we had, that made us win the Brisbane Test. At the end, we saw both Washington Sundar and Rishabh Pant playing that traditional T20 style and getting the result for the team. So हम ये नहीं कहते, देखिए हम क्रिकेट लवर्स हैं, हमें क्रिकेट देखने से मतलब है, जितना क्रिकेट आएगा हम देखेंगे. But that aura, as again I'm saying it, वो एक टेस्ट क्रिकेट देखने का जो मजा है, पूरे दिन भर देख रहे हैं, और even if the batsman like shoulders his arms throughout the day, I love watching that.
Yeah man. Exactly, talking about shouldering arms or actually just facing tough deliveries. I mean, we've spoken about the man a couple of times already in this video, but Cheteshwar Pujara, आप देख लीजिए, every ball was an event when he was batting. I know people will say, अरे 250 ball खेल गया, सब 50 run है, whatever. The fact is those were 250 balls which could have potentially gotten a wicket. He has eaten those balls up. You saw Hazelwood was pissed off on that last day at Brisbane. मैंने स्टार्क का तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि मिचेल स्टार्क का कोई क्या बोलते हैं जुड़वा भाई आके बॉलिंग करा रहा था. There was no penetration in his bowling, and only Pat Cummins looked like he could get a wicket. But again, once a left-hander comes in front of Pat Cummins, all that happens is Nataraj chakka. Seriously. So what a shot by Washington Sundar. मेरे हिसाब से दोनों टेस्ट मैचेस में he had two incredible shots. That no-look six of Nathan Lyon, unbelievable. दोनों innings में he had like two incredible shots, like no look six of Nathan Lyon and that Nataraj chakka of Pat Cummins, like fantastic. I think अब थोड़ा we'll just last couple of minutes and we'll round this video up. Coming back to that GOAT debate, I think हमने उसको justice नहीं दिया. Our point is, for whosoever they might give us, throw a little shade our way. Let me just list out at least मेरे personal perspective से पिछले 30-40 साल में who do I consider as few of the fast bowlers I genuinely felt who were menacing and definitely better than Jimmy Anderson. But I would keep Richard Hadlee in that list, Wasim Akram, Waqar Younis, even Imran Khan. लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे, but I felt Kapil Dev was a more rounded bowler because he went and took wickets everywhere on these dead Indian pitches. During that time he used to take wickets. coming back, Glenn McGrath, मतलब, I know he broke Glenn McGrath's record, but really, are we even putting them in the same list? I am sorry, मतलब, मेरे लिए तो गुनाह होगा वो करना. Sacrilegious is what you call it out in English. I won't say that. Alan Donald, Sean Pollock, Dale Steyn, मतलब, if you want to go back to the West Indies team, Holding, Marshall, Bhago, Marshall आया, Garner, Roberts.
Kushagra, the banter we saw, we are mentioning James Anderson, and the banter we saw, his banter with Mitchell Johnson, who's probably a better bowler than Jimmy Anderson, in my opinion. He owned that Ashes series altogether. Mitchell Johnson was again bloody brilliant, and वो banter मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा, George Bailey standing at the forward short leg or maybe silly point, and he'll be like, oh Jimmy, oh my god, that was brilliant.
And yeah, जैसे मैंने बोला था, खाना बोल रहा हूँ, sorry, गाना उनका जो है by the Barmy Army is fantastic, right? It's because like, oh Jimmy and us, and while that song is fantastic, I just hope they don't get too much of an opportunity to sing that in India.
And just saying, जो GOAT debate है, mainly I think, as you said, on the broader scheme of things, Stuart Broad might be a better contender for being the GOAT of England fast bowling, and not Jimmy Anderson.
I think he's like 4 years younger to Anderson as well, right? So if Jimmy Anderson calls it a day, which we expect in a couple of years at best, right? He'll call it a day. Stuart Broad might actually end up going ahead of Jimmy Anderson, because I don't think 100 से ज़्यादा wickets का अंतर है दोनों बीच में.
And the way Stuart Broad started his career, obviously Stuart, I'm sorry, but I had to mention Yuvraj when I mentioned you.
Of course.
And but the way he started his career, in the era he started his career, post that England haven't produced, like, I do love Jofra Archer's bowling, I love Mark Wood's bowling. They've been
England didn't produce Jofra Archer, my friend. Just England ने बस import किया.
That's the धूम ता moment of the video.
Just like Australia ने Marnus Labuschagne import किया, क्योंकि मैंने कल ही Facebook पे फोटो देखी, Labuschagne sitting with Sean Pollock at the age of 4 outside Durban, where the South African coach had told Marnus Labuschagne that we need to give you a contract, son. I wish they had, because South Africa could have done with a Marnus Labuschagne. But yeah, his family moved to Australia.
Talking about England and importing players might just make a new segue. We really don't want to go there, do we?
I think आधी से टीम तो import ही होती है. Ben Stokes जो हम लोग बोलते रहते हैं.
Kevin Peterson, my friend.
बहुत छोड़ो बहुत सारे. उनका white ball captain, brother.
Yeah. Oh my god. But just to like put my point across, they haven't been producing those many fast bowlers at their helm, but Stuart Broad for me has been in particular a slightly better bowler compared to James Anderson in all those years, and I do feel कि lack of opportunity पता रही है Stuart Broad के लिए compared to Jimmy Anderson, because being a senior bowler, Jimmy Anderson was the first on the team sheet, and maybe if they had to, they did like drop Broad at some point of time. They had like Chris Woakes, Mark Wood, because Broad and Anderson are somewhat similar kind of bowlers, because swing bowlers, and they needed उतना उनको difference चाहिए था अपने kind of bowling में, इस वजह से फिर किसी को sacrifice करना था, Broad being the one. But ठीक है, Jimmy, you've been good. I think we won't take that away from you. But ठीक है, not sure. The GOAT debate. You're not winning the GOAT debate. I'm sorry, my friend.
Yeah. That's all I can keep saying. Like there's just too many. There are too many. And forget that. मेरे को तो बस एक ही hope है. The day he retires, I want Jussie to be the GOAT. So, Jussie, looking forward to you. By the way, first test match he plays in India. First test match. He was injured. He was injured for the 19th season, if you remember, 2019.
Oh my god!
Just a slightly unknown fact. First time he's playing Test cricket in India.
तो जैसे कि हम लोग बात करते हैं कि जेम्स
भाई अपने मतलब क्या 50 wickets in 4 matches?
जेम्स भाई अपने घर के हीरो हैं, देखते हैं जसप्रीत भाई क्या करते हैं अपने घर में.
जसप्रीत भाई दुनिया के हीरो हैं भाई.
वो उन्होंने प्रूव कर दिया ना, अब वो होम
साउथ अफ्रीका, इंग्लैंड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया तीनों में फाइबर फर्स्ट टूर,
एंड कुशाग्र
एंड वेस्ट इंडीज में हैट्रिक फर्स्ट टूर.
this comes out of nowhere, but जैसे कि कुशाग्र ने इतने सारे नाम mention किए ना उस era में, you know, just that small mention, I like to take that moment. Mohammad Asif, what could have been? Oh my God. If Mohammad Asif would have been there, the kind of swing bowling he used to do, oh my God, one of the most decorated he could have been, but maybe whatever that was,
yeah, what a
want
shame.
to go.
Even Mohammad Amir, I felt he's never been that Mohammad Amir, if you remember. वो 2 साल जो थे 2009 और 2010.
And bowling in tandem, both of these players bowling in tandem was something pretty brilliant.
Just a real loss, yeah, just a real loss. And you know, on that note, I think we'll not extend this particular discussion further. Just give me a prediction, if you could, for the England-India series.
I think we should do the first match prediction or the whole series.
First match, just give me a first match prediction.
It's in Chennai.
Series तो बहुत लंबी है.
Yeah, it's in Chennai, and I think India might take that one.
Might? India will take that one, man. India will.
You know, I want to keep it at might. Maybe if it comes back to bite me, I said might.
Might and bite. I said might. Then on that note, you know, we will like to sign off from here, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to MTag More Than a Game YouTube channel. Also, do check out our website. We've got some fantastic articles coming here. Atul talking about that GOAT debate, right? Atul's article on the fast bowlers and everything else.
And I'm asking you to press the bell icon. Please do that.
Yes. I know what he was talking about that. Please press the bell icon. You'll know whenever new videos are uploaded, or in future we might plan to go live as well. So do keep it locked to More Than a Game. And this is me, Kushagra, and on behalf of Atul, this is me signing off. We'll see you soon, and thank you for watching.